Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how you can track your phone using Google Find My Device to the exact pinpoint coordinates. Okay, really easy and simple. First you want to go ahead and click on your settings and then scroll all the way down, click on Google, and then here guys I want you to click on all services, scroll all the way down, and then click on Find My Device under Personal and Device Safety. Hopefully this was toggled on in your settings, and then click on open this on the web. You can also use the app, and then all you need to do guys is tap on your device on the map. Okay, when you tap the device on the map, it will open up a Google Maps and you will get with pinpoint accuracy the exact coordinates. Okay, and you can click on a directions right there and you will get directions to your phone in real time. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and it's really that easy and simple.